I said goodbye to hotel. It's hostel, sorry, Wise Old Hostels, Shibuya. So now I am going to Shibuya bus station with my luggage. Let me see how it looks. From there I have to go to Tokyo station, and from Tokyo station I have to take Kodama Shinkansen to Shin Fuji. So from there I have to go to Mount Fuji. This is my plan for today in the morning. So bus is ready. I'm going to bus to this particular station. I'll get on this bus. So I have boarded this bus. Within 10-20 seconds bus has come. So this is going to Shibuya station. Now the time is 10:57. So I reached Shibuya station in 5 minutes. So last stop is Shibuya. Next stop is Dogenji-Kawi. So this is a bus in the morning times. I got down my bus from there, from that point, bus stop. So this is Tokyo Plaza. So I just came to a 7-Eleven because I have to take my breakfast. So I have taken pineapple fruits, muskmelon fruits, so and cashew nuts, so and some biscuits. So altogether is 1184 Japanese yen. That means almost like 500-600 rupees. But it is fine because there are 4-5 items and fruits also there. So now I have to go to Shibuya station, and I have to take Yamanote line to go to Tokyo station. So by using my JR pass, I have reserved a ticket from Tokyo station to Shin Fuji station at 11:27 in Kodama. Kodama is it stops everywhere. Most of the stops on Tokaido line. It is a Shinkansen train, bullet train, but it stops. So now I have to catch Yamanote line and go to Tokyo. Just go out of Tokyo station and see the buildings in front. It is very nice, excellent view. So then I go to Tokyo and board the train to Shin. So that train is going opposite direction. So my train is coming this way. This will go to Tokyo station. So from Tokyo station I will go out and come back and board a Kodama train. So this is Yamanote line, excellent line. It connects all important places in Tokyo. This is my last trip for this trip, Yamanote trip in this trip. So I am going to Tokyo station. This is Tokyo. So this is another stop. Every 2 minutes one stop. This is Ebisu. So now I have to get down at Tokyo station.
The Shinkansen, the Chuo line, the Tokaido line, the Ueno Tokyo line, the Yokosuka line, the Soto line rapid service, the Keio line, and the Marunouchi subway line.
See how many trains are connecting at Tokyo. So apart from JR Shinkansen trains. So this is central heart of Tokyo. For Japan Railways, Tokyo Central is a main important train station. So I have checked in ChatGPT to see the Tokyo building from front side, the red brick building. So I have to take Marunouchi central exit. So then I can see the building. I have to take that exit, and I can see, and I can come back for my train. I came out of Tokyo station. I was using Tokyo station from past 3-4 days, but never came out. See the buildings, see the ambience. So it is like looking like Manhattan. So excellent. So we should come out of subway exit and see the buildings, railway stations in Europe and US. So they look excellent. So because we always travel in the subway, see we never appreciate. We are never able to see the buildings. See, this is Tokyo station, near Tokyo station. So that is Imperial Palace, I think. So this is Imperial Palace. I will show you. So yeah, there is no entrance. There is no entry to visit. So this is Palace Hotel. So it might be very expensive because it just closed in front of Tokyo station. So I came out of this exit. See, exit looks very small. but when I came out, so everything is beautiful, excellent. See, Agricultural Bank of China. See the bank. So they provide loans to agriculture. So this is Skybus. Oh, I didn't know about this. Otherwise I would have taken it. Sightseeing bus, Tokyo sightseeing. So that is the station building, brick building. I was looking for. Asked two ladies. They said I have to go down and again go out of the station. But I asked one task force guy. So he just pointed out it is only like 500 meters from where I was standing. I was taking video. So this is Tokyo Central Station. In front of Tokyo Central Station. Excellent. So see the architecture. So I will go close to the building and I will enter the station via this building. And because my train is at 11:27, so at least 10-15 minutes before I have to reach the platform, because we never know, sometimes the path will be a bit long, so to take the train, to board the train, so it's always advisable to at least go 15 minutes or 20 minutes earlier to JR trains, to board Shinkansen or bullet trains. See, this is called Marunouchi building. So this is red bricks. This is famous. So I have seen several videos, like several hundred videos in YouTube. So all YouTubers, so when they show Shinkansen journeys, Shinkansen travel, so they always start from this building because this is historic. This itself is a monument. So I heard that it's constructed in the year 1920 or 24. So I will cross whenever there is a green signal for pedestrians. So then I am in hurry. So I have to go. I have to take train. So now you can cross. So this is the road. See the buildings. It's looking like Canary Wharf in London, or La Défense in Paris, or Manhattan in New York. So it is nothing less than that. Even though this is in Asia, so it developed country, developed long back, not now. I think it developed in the year 1964. So then there was the Olympics. In the year 1964, same year, they have started Shinkansen trains, bullet trains. So from that time it was booming like anything. So from past maybe 2 decades, the growth was sluggish because of several factors. So but before that, till 90s, so this was booming, and it is number 2 in GDP, number 2 in the ranking in the world. So still they are excellent multinational organizations. So in this country, like Honda, Sony, Toyota, Mitsubishi, Yamaha, Suzuki, Panasonic, Sansui. There are several hundreds. Philips is in the Netherlands. So several hundred companies, based out of Japan, and they became multinationals, and no one can beat them. For example, for ferries, for boats, you see, they always have either Honda or Yamaha engines. So there is no competition there. So this is the Tokyo Station Hotel. So we can also stay here if you have maybe thousands of dollars account. So I will go this side. You can see taxi, hotel drop off or taxi drop off. You can also book taxis here. So this is very convenient. So I am going towards, you can see, Shinkansen trains, Marunouchi South entrance. This is the Marunouchi South entrance. So I have to take Shinkansen train to Shin Fuji, that is station where I have to take train or bus to Mount Fuji. So you can see Shinkansen guide logos. So my train is at 11:27. So this is a ticket office, beautiful ticket office. So restrooms are there. So everything. So whatever we ask for. You can see Tohoku, Yamagata, Akita, Hokkaido, Joetsu, Okuriku, Shinkansen, all available. I have already experienced traveled by Hokkaido and Joetsu, Hokuriku, 3 Shinkansens. Now I am doing Tokaido line. So you see 11:27 is platform train number 10. So time, destination, track 10. So I have to take that one. So it is, yeah, I will use these lines to go there.